नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज़ JVN डॉक्टर राकेश शर्मा, प्रोफेसर, डिपार्टमेंट ऑर्गन ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड होम्योपैथिक फिलोसॉफी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. I welcome all of you in today's practical session of case taking. Here I want to understand aphorism 93. So, if the disease has been brought on a short time, or in the case of a chronic affection, a considerable time previously by some obvious cause, then the patient or his friends, when questioned privately, will mention it either spontaneously or when carefully interrogated. So, Dr. Henneman says that disease has been brought on a short time, or in the case of a chronic affection, a considerable time previously by some obvious cause, then the patient or his friend questioned privately will mention it either spontaneously or when carefully interrogated. So this scenario, this condition applies where some cause, and in this matter, in this regard, we have to probe carefully privately if cause is relevant to some morality or some other cause, like the in footnote, any cause of disgraceful character. Causes are disgraceful character which the patient or his friends do not like to confess, at least not voluntarily. The physician must endeavor to elicit by skillfully framing his questions or by private information. So this type of information, while probing these causes, we have very careful about to probe and ask privately and not ask on first visit. We should give some sufficient time to get confidence of the patient in us. Do not like to confess. तो ऐसे कोई कॉज हैं जिसको पेशेंट और पेशेंट के रिलेटिव्स नहीं बताते हैं, ऐसा कोई डिसग्रेसफुल कैरेक्टर वाले, तो वो वॉल्यूंटरीली हमारे सामने वो कॉज नहीं आता है. द फिजिशियन मस्ट एंडेवर टू इलिसिट बाय स्किलफुली फ्रेमिंग हिज क्वेश्चन. सो फिजिशियन elicit this type of information by his skill or by private information. To these belong poisoning or attempted suicide, onanism, indulgence in ordinary and unnatural debauchery, excess in wine, cordials, punch and other ardent beverages or coffee, overindulgence in eating generally or in some particular food of a hurtful character, infection with venereal disease, or each unfortunate love, jealousy, domestic infelicity, worry, grief on account of some family misfortune, ill uses, bagged revenge, injured pride, embarrassment of a pecuniary nature, superstitious fear, hunger, or an imperfection in the private parts, a rupture, a prolapse, and so forth. So all these type of causes related to disgraceful character, suicide, तो इन सब चीज़ों को हमें पूछने के लिए फिजिशियन स्किलफुली पूछ सकता है, स्किलफुली क्वेश्चन बनाए, वो फ्रेम करे इस तरह कि उसको बुरा भी ना लगे. थैंक यू. दिस सेशन पावर्ड बाय डिजिटल वर्जन 2.0 ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी. आई होप you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.